Hello. All right, we're good. Sorry, I didn't know why it was my bad. All right. Sorry. I'll restart my bias now. So on the daily here, we can tell we're at all-time highs. We don't really have any PD arrays to look at on the daily here. We swept this low. We just literally souped the low and then just delivered off of it really easily. Now we go down to the 4 hour. We are looking at, we disrespected this bearish PD array, this fair value gap. We disrespected this bearish fair value gap, right? We respected this bullish fair value gap. We respected this bullish fair value gap. So price is just on the higher time frame disrespecting bearish, right? We closed above this one. We didn't tap into this one yet, so we don't know if this will hold. We just haven't tapped into it. This 4 hour here has not inversed yet. I'm gonna have to log in a second, but this one is not inversed yet. But as of right now, because then we go on to the hourly again as well. You can see bullish is holding here. Disrespected this bearish. We closed above. So really going bullish into the day, and we're at all-time highs. So for conditions that we're gonna set, definitely gonna be this 15-minute for our condition and this 15-minute for our condition. So if we hold this, then I'll look for this London low. Actually, this fair value gap's held, so condition will probably be this here. Condition's gonna be this. If we break this, we'll look for London low and this low as well. So we'll look for the sell side. If this 15-minute fair value gap breaks, but until then, we're just gonna be leaning bullish until we get to this. We could look for a retracement setup to here maybe. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing as of right now. All right. Now let me go ahead and get my stuff figured out real quick. All right. All right. All right, we should be good. All right. So that's what I have. Does everybody get what I'm looking for? I only have about 1 minute till market open. Yo, Ian, can you hear me? Yo, Ian. Ian. I'm gonna go fill my water real quick. Ian, bro, you might have to switch your mic settings. Remember what I had to do when I clicked on the corner? Can't hear you. God, I didn't know I thought I turned that alarm off. Okay, so market open pushed us up into that 15 minute. All right, we're chilling, we're chilling, we're chilling. Really see what we're gonna get today. Bruh. Snap. Bro told me to check Snap.
Barris, I don't. Does it not show up as me talking for you?
No, it's not showing me. It's not showing you talking, bro. Maybe it's on my side. I'll leave the call. Um. Yo. Okay, yeah, I can hear you now. Okay, so we just tapped into this 15-minute gap, and I really want to see a reaction to it. What's below? Oh, I want to see a reaction to the 15-minute gap. All right, here. Can you see in? What? So you have like a 1 minute here. Okay, that's good. This could be a good setup here. Delivery off the 15-minute. I don't even have that indicator on here, dude. Holy crap, dude. So be like, what? Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, there's gonna be no entry for this, dude. What the hell? It's just dumping. Supposed to really be like right here. Do you have a 2 minute? We do have a 2 minute here. Damn. No close either. There's a little 3-minute gap there. We do have a little 3-minute here. We have two actually. We could combine. We look for this 3-minute. Invalidated? No, not yet. Also, if I'm trading a little bit different, it's because I've been learning. Personally, what I think is like a better way to trade inverse fair value gaps, but I can't. I can't. I can't. No, I'm more focusing on trading. Like I'm gonna try and check chat, but we have a 3-minute. It's a really small 3-minute, but we want to close on both. To be honest. All right, let me check. Okay, so we have a big SMT actually at this. The SMT here. So that helps this trade. Really just want to see a reaction here. SMT at the lows? No, just SMT at the highs. Yeah, we have SMT at those highs. So we'll see what we get. Who do I learn from? Well, I learned all my ICT from T Trades. I learned a lot of the inverse fair value gap from Dodgy, but I like the way PB trades it better. Okay, so we just reswept this 931. Oh, that's 931 high, but not really 930. We'll see. What do you think about the new 1-minute? Oh, I want to see us get a good setup here and hold this SMT. Still watching the 15-minute. You don't freeze it. Okay, so we have a 1-minute. We have a no 2-minute. So just the 1-minute, I'm pretty sure at this point. I'll check the 3-minute. Possible 3-minute. We would have to wait 3 minutes for it to close. Dude, what's wrong with my chair? What do you think about that? Okay, I already answered that. And then we have no news today. All right. 6. All right, I'm on 6. Yeah. All right. I think we just got, yeah, we just broke this SMT. So we no longer have the SMT at the highest. Make sure it ran on NQ. Yeah. So we no longer have the SMT at the highest. Now I want to see what happens with these highs here. We have a 4-hour close in the next 20 minutes. If we do close above this 4-hour, I will go from looking for delivery of this 15-minute to being just straight up bullish, looking for this and just looking for longs. So we're going to see really what we get. Okay, wait now. Damn. We have an SMT off this now. We have a new SMT now though. I wouldn't look for what? You said what setup? Yeah. Why would I enter off of a 15-minute? I would not enter off of a 15-minute. But no, it has to close on the same time as the gap. Yeah. So if it's a 15-minute gap, it has to close above on the 15-minute. We have a 2-minute gap here. See if we still have this SMT. Yeah, we do still have the SMT with the high. Holy crap, yeah, we're just pumping up. Alright, so yeah. So yeah, now this is just even more confirmation to my bullish. So just want to see this SMT break, to be honest. I want to see the SMT break and then get a pullback. So could be. Unfortunately, we didn't even get any longs. Like we didn't come and get a sweep of this low here to get a long or anything. But yeah, so at least my bias was right coming into the day. We set the right conditions. So I'm going to go to the 1 hour, 15-minute. Yeah, we have nothing to keep us from getting to this high, to be honest. That's not all time highs. That's just previous day, but I'll go ahead and mark it. I side. Then we have all time highs. Okay, SMT should be broken. Okay, SMT is broken here. All right. Apex, yeah, that's one of the places that's one of the prop firms I use. Definitely just confirmed my bullish bias. I would like to see this 4-hour close above. I want to see us continue disrespecting these bearish gaps. Maybe a pullback to this order block if we form it. That could be good as well. Really just have to see what we get, to be honest. What did I put for my new OB one? I'm pretty sure I wanted, let me see. OB. No, I don't like OB like that because OB could be on both sides. When I did break even, I want that to be OB. Yeah, let me save that. Bruh. Yo, Ian. Remember I showed you how to save a template for like the tools? I went to put order block and I typed in order black, bro. What? Bro. Alright, bro. Do you have a video explaining the PA rules? No, you should just be able to find it on their website. 30% consistency. I use multiple prop firms. I'm not going to make a video for each prop firm. Bro, do you not know how bad that risk to reward would be? That's more of like a higher time frame thing. All right. So we have a possible 5 minute gap here. If we form this 5 minute, 15 minutes is close above. There we go. No hourly or 4 hour close above yet, but we could get a continuation model to this buy side here. We just need to close up this 5 minute gap and get a pullback to it. Kind of look for this, bruh. Kind of that, you know? That'd be what? That'd be 10 a.m. as well. That'd be nice. Let me go ahead and mark it out. PSO. So we have 2 minutes to see if this fair value gap gets formed. Hopefully we get a pullback, dude. What in? Saying, yeah, I would want a 5 minute gap to form. Yeah. After passing an EVA, how long to get the email that says you passed? Normally it's just around the time market closes, so like 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. or something. I don't know if you get an email, but you have to go into your Apex account and then go to signatures. You have to like sign all the stuff, and then you pay the activation fee. All right, so we have 1 minute to see if we get this 5 minute gap. I'm really hoping for this, guys. Like I said, boom, boom. What's up? Why do you need a new monitor? Bro, and many gaps form here. So we literally have we literally have a 1 minute here, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute gap here. So looking for a pullback to this. Watch the 1 minute here. Looking for a continuation model. Let's do this at 100 for now. I don't know what size the stop's going to be because I don't know what size the gap's going to look like. But I'm going to just leave this here. What time is this? There was the SMT with this. London low formed an SMT. Nice. Okay, thank you, bro. No problem. If you need any other help, quiet, join the free Discord and you can just send a screenshot of like your okay, don't send like your account number and stuff, but you know what I mean. If you need help looking for something. They can't hear you. They can't hear you. Yeah. The 5 minute, right? You have the 5 minute drawn out and you go down to the 1 minute. And now you're looking for your setup. Whatever time we get, if there's a 2 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, but we're not looking for the five. We're not looking for the 5 minute to inverse. We're just looking for it to hold. If we have a 1 minute, if we have a yeah. So if we get a 1 minute fair value gap when tapping into this 5 minute, and it inverses, it has to inverse the 1 minute fair value gap on the 1 minute. We're not looking for an inverse of this 5 minute. It to hold. Yeah. Buy side. Go on your hourly. Go on your hourly. Yeah. Yeah. The low. Whatever low we form when we come into this gap, unless we just dump through the gap. That's if we even tap it. This is just too far in premium for me, guys. Oh my gosh. We formed a CISD here. What? You could base it off that, yeah, but it doesn't like you don't normally want to go too far back. So a good like rule is kind of like, yeah, you could just do it from New York AM open. So 9:30. So it'd be the AM low to here to where we're at now. You don't want to go like you don't want to do like all time because obviously it'd be in premium if you do all time. But yeah. All right. Anybody got any questions in chat as to what I'm looking for? Anybody got any questions? Yo, I'm freezing. I'm not gonna lie, Ian. Anybody got any questions? Oh my gosh, but you hear that voice crack? Oh my gosh, dude. I'm freezing right now. I don't know why I'm so cold. Yo, ETH is at 4K right now, bro. Check the loud punks. No, ETH just hit 4K. My Robinhood just notified me. Bro, I'm pulling it up right now on my phone. No, he said at like Thailand or something. He was like with oh no, he was at a ski mask show. He was at a ski mask show. He said we're now in Miami. He was at a ski mask show. He was like,
Yeah, like posting, but
okay, sorry, just found you. Do you mind run down what you're looking for? Yeah. So we're at all time highs. We're pretty much at all time highs, right? If I go on the 4 hour, you can see for the most part we're disrespecting bearish. We haven't closed above. We're about to in 40 seconds. So disrespecting this bearish gap, respecting this bullish gap here, disrespected this 4 hour bearish here, right? Ran this high, had a break of structure above this high, came back, delivered off this gap. So just overall looking bearish here. So then I go down to my 15-minute. I saw this 15-minute gap. I was like, all right, if we close above this, I'm going to be bullish. If this holds and we break below this 15-minute down here, then I will be looking for London low, this low as well, and looking for a long off of this gap because I'm still bullish, but on the lower time frame, maybe we want to run London low first. But as you can see, we did not break this gap, so I was not bearish. We held this gap, came up, and just pumped up. So now what we're looking for is we still have this buy side above, kind of looking for maybe a pullback to this 5-minute and then a long. Max risk per trade you recommend on my first PA, probably like 200 to 250. Probably still bullish. Yep. If we don't tap into the 5-minute, but we take BSL where it bias B. I mean, we'd be like very, very close to all time high, so probably still bullish. But we would have to look for some rebalance, and then after we get a rebalance of like a 15-minute gap or an hourly, we could maybe look for a new long, but we'd have to look for a pullback. No problem, Rob. No problem. Anybody got any other questions? Do you form at 15? We did form at 15. Yeah, no, this is a 15. Yep. 15-minute gap. That overlaps with the 5-minute.
I just sold my 488 Pista. I got a deal that I could not refuse. So that is no longer in my possession. Got that taken care of, even though I'm in California. Got that all sorted. It is out of my hands. Now, I just bought another car. This is a car that I honestly never thought that I would like ever be interested in owning.
What car did
ever
TJ
think
get?
that I would own one. And keep in mind, I have super unrealistic goals. And I like see a big future for myself, but never in my entire life did I think that I would be owning one of these. Anyways, I'm in California right now. I am.
What car? Bro, what car do you guys think he got, bro? What car do you guys think TJ got? How much should I aim for the first withdrawal? It's up to you, dude. Why didn't you take longs when we respected the 1-minute FVG? The 1-minute? Because that was just way too far in premium. I was looking for a higher time frame pullback, so 5-minute. If that 1-minute long would have failed, you would have been mad at yourself. And either way, it didn't really work. It's still right at where the entry was. So still looking for this 1-minute pullback. Or 5-minute, I mean. Really hope we save this buy side, to be honest. The market needs to move to an inefficiency, but not just like this one. We need to get one to like the 5-minute. Bro. Yo, Ian. Yo, Ian, look at what I sent you. Ian, please look at what I sent you on Instagram. Instagram. See, you're finally learning what shit price action looks like. Bro, look at what Bro, look at what I sent you. Instagram, bro, from my trading account. It was. Brain freeze. I need like 50 more watch hours to get monetized. Then I'm gonna work on a boot camp, but it's gonna take me a lot of time. I'm gonna make like literally everything. Like, you know how I was recommending videos from people to you? Because they made videos about stuff I haven't made yet. Whenever someone asks me, like, I recommend my like 8-episode boot camp where I go over the strategy that I like, the inverse for value gaps. But I also recommend like T trades and stuff because they make videos he makes videos going over everything. I want to be able to recommend my own boot camp. You know what I mean? But it's gonna take me so long because I'm gonna have to make a video I'm gonna have to make videos going over like what orders are, like what different orders do, types of like stop losses and whatnot. I'm gonna have to go over like order blocks, breaker blocks. I'm not gonna do mitigation blocks. That's just a failed breaker block. Like what? I'm gonna have to do fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, BPRs, S&Ts, market maker models. It's just gonna take me so long to make it, dude. And I want to wait till I'm monetized to put that much time into making a series. You know what I mean? Because it wouldn't really be worth it for me to spend hours and hours of my time making it to not really get anything out of it. Bro, are we not gonna get a pullback, dude? And this is crazy. This is what our macro is supposed. This is our macro, guys. Ian, you know what a macro is? Okay, so in trading, a macro is 9:50 to 10:10. It's the last 10 minutes of the hour and the first 10 minutes of the next hour. And it's basically the time where we're supposed to get like good setups. Like it's like the best time of day to trade, that 20 minutes. And look at the price action we had in this. Look at the price action we had in this macro today. That's normally when you can tell it's going to be a no trade day. Is when we have horrible price action during the macro. But we can still get a trade today. Think BSL, you're not trading today? To BSL before a pullback? No, we can still get a setup, but we're gonna have to wait for a good pullback. Like we have to wait for like, okay, we have this 15-minute. We're all the way up here. It would be good pullback to come all the way down to this 15-minute. That would be equilibrium as well. Because price moves like this, guys. Price moves from liquidity to inefficiency to liquidity to inefficiency to liquidity to inefficiency. So I'm hoping this 1 minute works. This 1 minute short, just so we can like run this and give us a setup here. I really want that. Please. I don't like this short to take, but please work just so we can get along before buy side. Ian, brain freeze. What did you send me? Yo, Ian, imagine paying for that. The thing you sent me, the Ren Fair. This. I'll resend it to you. I'll resend it to you. Imagine paying for that, bro. What are you? King of Gooning. Okay, bro. Daily nut record. 19 plus 2 while hospitalized. Times that nutted on Discord 154. Bro. Dude, we're gonna take out this buy side, bro. What 1 minute gap, bro? There was no 1 minute. Bro. But why'd they put murder music on that? That's like so random. And we just swept by side. We don't have anything holding us down now. I mean, we have this 4-hour gap that could still hold. Hourly. 15-minute overlaps with it as well. So we do have a 4 hour that could hold here. Let me see daily. Do we have a daily gap? No daily gap. So we have a 4 hour that could hold here, but I really doubt based on the way PA has been looking. I mean, it is a BPR though. 4 hour BPR. Really, we just have to see, to be honest. Just gonna see what Price wants to do now at this point, because Price is looking really choppy. Yo, Ian. Look what I sent you. Yo, Ian, do you train your obliques or just your abs? Because recently I've been doing I think I told you that the thing where you're on it and you do like the kick up things. When you're on the like where you go up on the thing and you like put your legs up straight. And then I do like the cable thing where you use the rope and you like are on your knees and you pull it down. And then I've been doing like the Russian twists or whatever. Bro, of course, look at what I just said. Of course, this guy's a coach. Bro, did he leave my call? Bruh. Oh no, Ian, you didn't leave the call. I don't know, I made this sound like you left the call, Ian. So there is actually might be a late entry to be honest. We can still get in though. To this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get in there. I got on a little light. To this 5-minute unfilled here. All right. So this is a mech model. We're looking for this unfilled 15-minute. I mean, right now I have it marked out as 5-minute, but looking for this unfilled 15-minute. And we're not delivering off the 4 hour, but yeah. We're looking for this to get ran here. Bro, you're not even paying attention, dude. All right, so we're gonna move stop to break even here. So this should be 1 point off. All right. Stop loss at break even, looking for this 15-minute. Break even was right here. I hope my bad entry doesn't screw me over, to be honest. Really want to see us close below this. Open. We're good close below this low. There we go. Come on. Give us that close. Nice. Hope my bad entry doesn't mess me up, to be honest. That would really suck. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, I wish I got a better risk to reward on this. Not a better risk to reward, but just a better entry. So my stop at break even isn't really close. The high was put in at 10.10. So this could be the 10 a.m. reversal as well. Come on, give us a good close here on this 1 minute. Just don't like how close my break even is, dude. Damn, dude, we're gonna run my break even. Please hold this 1 minute gap. And yeah, break even. Oh my gosh, dude. If I had a better entry, I wouldn't have been break even. If I had, dude, bro. Oh my gosh. Whatever. Entry sucked. But yeah. But yeah. So right here, got stop to break even. All right. So go ahead and screenshot this. Maybe we'll get a continuation setup to the low, but. All right, so even if I got the regular entry, I would have been break even there. Yeah, bro, there would have been partials at 1-to-1R though. Dude. Whatever. So whatever. Break even. Still looking for another setup. And there's the 15-minute unfilled for value gap. So do you short the 1 minute inverse? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and send that to Discord real quick. All right. All right. Dude, I could have taken partials if I had a real, like an actual entry. It's annoying. So we're gonna go ahead and see. We could still get something to the 15-minute. Let me check ES. AM highs? No, 15-minute fair value gap. That's unfilled. We tapped into the 15-minute unfilled, bro. That would have been TP. What? Yeah, we did. No, not on ES. No, not on ES, bro. No, dude. I just missed the entry. If my entry was right, that would have been a TP. That would have been a 1R. Look at my screen share. But I got a horrible entry, so I didn't even get one risk to reward. There's two 15 minutes. That would have been a full TP, but I had a horrible entry, dude. My entry was all the way down here. So I had to target the 15-minute you were looking for. That's annoying, bro. That was such a perfect setup, too. Bro, there's nothing. Bro, there's. Yeah, I know. But there's nothing else for us to get right now. Did anybody get a better entry there? Did anybody get a better entry there and get a full TP? Why not break even at the 10:08 though? Because we were looking for a retracement into the 15-minute. We were obviously looking for this. The break even was going to be right here at the 15-minute. 15-minute iFVG. Yeah, dude. That was literally like, bro, there wasn't even a 0.5 R for me. Or there was 0.6 R. But yeah. Yeah, dude, I'm so mad, bro, that my entry was that, like, bro, whatever. I wasn't paying attention. But yeah, so that's probably gonna be it for today. We don't really have any other targets to look for. We took out previous day high, maybe all-time highs, but we took out previous day high. We got the 15-minute retracement here. It's the end of the week, so don't really have anything to look for, to be honest. All my accounts are break even on the week. It'll kind of suck to end the week red, so I don't want to like take any stupid trades like I did yesterday. Or else I would be ending the week green right now, but I'd be ending the week green right now if I was paying attention just now and got a good entry. But yeah, for the most part, that we're not gonna get anything else today. Yo, Ian, look what I just sent you. No, I'm still on stream, but I'm not taking anything else for today. There's literally nothing for us to get. That was the move, bro. That was the only move. I mean, the move up. I mean, I don't know if anybody can. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I don't want to promote over trading. I kind of fell into like taking something because I missed something yesterday, so Just gonna get off, break even on the week. Completely fine with it. It sucks that I'm break even on the week because I should have been like green, way green, bro. Like today should have been green. Yesterday should have been green. Yesterday should have been really green. But yeah, we have a bunch of news next week, so hopefully we get some good setups next week. A bunch of news. We're gonna be doing good next week. But yeah, this should have been a winning trade, but it's whatever. I'm not gonna like sit here. Like obviously, I'm gonna think about it throughout my day. It's gonna annoy me, but we're gonna come back next week and we're just gonna be chilling. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get off stream. See you guys.